Hello to all the learners. Welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create a Laravel project. Before create project, make a folder where you want to create project. Open command prompt with that path. When command prompt or terminal open, then type the command Laravel new demo app. New keyword used to create project and demo app is the name of our project. Here the project creation process has started. As of now we select none from starter kit. We will discuss later. Now focus to create Laravel project and select any one from testing framework. Project creation started. Laravel downloading and installation for project. Loading and downloading the dependencies related to Laravel project, just see on your screen. After downloading the dependencies, now it will start to install those dependencies. It will take some time to install the required dependencies. Select the database, which database we are going to use with our application. MySQL database we are using here. MySQL should be in small letters, otherwise you will get error like as I got error. We are not using any database migrations, just type no and press enter. Laravel project creation process continues. Everything is going good. Project creation process is going to finish. Project created successfully. In next video we'll understand the project directory structure. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe channel.